All right, currently at 22% state of charge, 55 miles of range left. Drove for 174.4 miles, getting 3.5 miles per kilowatt hour. So last time I charged, I did charge up to 90%. I'm going to charge up to 90% again. So if you charge on a DC fast charger, you're looking at 25 minutes to get to 90%. On a 400-volt system, you're looking at 1 hour and 12 minutes. The guesstimator is saying 245 miles. Again, I'll be charging on a level 2 charger. It's going to take 4 hours and 45 minutes. I bet you it's going to take a lot longer than that. But on a regular household socket, you're looking at 45 hours and 50 minutes, which is if you're charging on a regular household socket on your EV, you need to find a better solution. But it's going to take, again, 45 hours and 50 minutes to get to 90%. And again, the guesstimator is saying 245 miles of range.
All right, charge the Kia up to 90%. Start off at a 22% state of charge. So far for the month of May, I've charged 447 kilowatts over 10 charging sessions at 18 cents a kilowatt hour. We're looking at $80.38. This last session took 6 hours and 2 minutes, going from a 22% state of charge to a 90% state of charge, adding 55.19 kilowatt hours back. That specific session costs $9.91. If I go in and look at my history of when I charged, maybe go back to the charging session, you can see here, let me go back to the beginning, that I started off and ramped up pretty quickly to about 9.2, 9.5 kilowatts per hour. It stayed pretty consistent there all through the charging session with a dip somewhere around what time? About 8:30 or 9 o'clock-ish sometime. It dipped back down to like the 4 kilowatts, then it ramped back up. Sometimes Kia does recycle or cycle through and to do a balance on the battery, so that could have been it, or maybe it overheated, who knows. But then it ramped back up to about 9.15 kilowatts, and it stayed pretty consistent there, about 9 to about 9.15 kilowatts all the way to the end. Slowly ramping up at the end to get almost 9.3 kilowatts until it actually finished charging somewhere around, I think, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. But again, it's pretty consistent all the way through until the end. Well, actually, at 1:30 in the morning is when it stopped charging and it got to 90%.
I charged the Kia to 90% currently at 89% state of charge, getting 244 miles of range. Last time I drove for 174.4 miles, getting 3.5 miles per kilowatt hour. So far, I've driven this vehicle 27,082 miles, getting 3.1 miles per kilowatt hour.